Looking for expert window installation, Clinton Township? Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need window replacement or vinyl windows, we have the perfect solution for you. Our window contractors are experienced in residential windows, offering top-notch window maintenance and window upgrades to enhance your home's value. Discover the best double-hung window installation, Clinton Township, with our skilled window experts. We provide energy-efficient double-hung windows, Clinton Township, that not only improve your home's aesthetics, but also reduce energy costs. Our double-hung window replacement services in Clinton Township are second to none, ensuring a seamless fit and finish. Vinyl double-hung windows. Clinton Township are a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and style. Our double-hung window replacement services ensure your windows remain in top condition, while our custom double-hung windows offer personalized design options. Trust our double-hung window contractors in Clinton Township for all your window needs. Double-hung window glazing in Clinton Township offers superior insulation and noise reduction. Our double-hung window frames are crafted for strength and longevity, while our double-hung window hardware ensures smooth operation. Protect your home with double-hung window screens in Clinton Township, designed to keep pests out while allowing fresh air in. Residential double-hung windows, Clinton Township, are designed to enhance your home's curb appeal. Our double-hung window maintenance services keep your windows functioning smoothly, while our double-hung window upgrades provide modern features and improved performance. Explore our wide range of double-hung window styles in Clinton Township to find the perfect match for your home. Enhance your home's energy efficiency with double-hung window insulation in Clinton Township. Our double-hung window cleaning services keep your windows sparkling, while our double-hung window sealing prevents drafts and leaks. Consider double-hung window tinting in Clinton Township for added privacy and UV protection. Our double-hung window design services in Clinton Township offer a variety of styles and finishes to complement your home's architecture. Schedule a double-hung window consultation in Clinton Township to discuss your specific needs and preferences. Our double-hung windows, Clinton Township measurement services ensure a perfect fit for every window. Trust our double-hung window fitting services in Clinton Township for precise installation and long-lasting performance. We offer comprehensive double-hung window solutions in Clinton Township, tailored to meet your unique requirements. Our double-hung window experts in Clinton Township are dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality craftsmanship. For all your window needs in Clinton Township, from window installation to window replacement, our team is here to help. Explore our range of custom windows, window styles, and window glazing options to find the perfect fit for your home. With our expertise in window frames, window hardware, and window screens, you can trust us to deliver outstanding results.